everybody, welcome to another video of Andrew and Nicole. In my previous video, we already unboxed the Iwata CM123 water filtration vacuum system. So today we're going to use it and show it to you how to assemble and disassemble, and at the same time show you some footage on me cleaning part of my house. So before we proceed with the cleaning, I would like to open this up and show you and give you some notes and what to do with this water filtration vacuum. So you have to open it on the side. Make sure to remove this one, and you have to check. I hope you can see in the camera. There is a water level noted here. Okay, so be sure you have to fill up the water up to that maximum level only. So you have to remove this, remove everything, and maybe get a pail, small pail like this, and maybe put in two small pails of water. Just ensure that you're reaching the maximum level in the water tank. And of course, you have to bring this back. Okay, there's a sliding mechanism. Okay, and bring all up. Assemble it once again. And I think you're good to go once you install the nozzle here. Sure to install it. And pro tip, you have to twist it real hard to lock it, to ensure it will not fall off while you're using it. Okay, so let's get to cleaning then. So we're done cleaning using this Iwata CM123 water filtration vacuum cleaner. So I haven't seen what's inside. We cleaned the house, at least partially. The sofa, the curtains, the blinds. So we haven't seen what's inside the tank, whether it's dirty or not. So if you're eating, just a short warning to everybody. We're gonna open something dirty. Okay, so why don't we come closer and take a look at what's inside on this water tank. So I'm gonna remove this one. So just like in my previous video, you just have to open the sides and lift it up. Clearly you can see that there are some dust and dirt inside the tank, so we're gonna open it further. It's for everybody to see. So wow, would you take a look at that? Every day in our house there's a lot of dust. Okay, so the water, it's already okay. All right, there you go. Oh, kinda smells bad too. So did you see everything? All the dust, all the germs, or at least the bacteria, hopefully are all sucked in there, and we get to throw it out. I'll show you later when we throw it out. All right. So I'll bring the whole tank to the laundry area, so you can remove actually the whole tank, and we'll go there in a short minute. So we are done with the cleaning, and I already emptied the tank. And allow me to give you my first impression on my first time usage of this Iwata CM123. So in my opinion, this is a very good vacuum. I already own a handheld vacuum that's using a dry filter, a robot vacuum that I use twice a week to just automate my vacuum. And this is actually the third one that we got. So in my opinion, I really like this vacuum. Number one, it has a good suction power. So based on my experience a while ago, it really does suck all the dust in, and it makes sure that as you can see in the water tank, all those dust and grime are present. You won't really imagine it's there in your house. Number two, it's really portable, so it has some wheels, so you don't have to carry it, so you can drag it using the heavy duty hose. And number three, it is using the water filtration system, unlike the dry filters, so the dust will not scatter around in your house once you are trying to clean it or empty the tank. So this one looks like a heavy duty vacuum cleaner, and it doesn't come with a very high price. No, we were able to check out Rainbow or Hyla vacuum back in those days, and they were offering hundreds of thousands. So, but this one is only 10,000 pesos, or around $250 wherever you are living. So I think this is a good value for the money, and I hope it will last us for a long time without any problem. And we were going to use it at least regularly in cleaning our house. So that's all there is in this video. So thank you very much for watching, and I appreciate you sticking around until this end. And if you really like this video, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you want me to feature some more items that are out of the ordinary of my usual technology or gadgets that I review or unbox. So thank you again for watching, and thank you very much for all your support. We hope that you enjoyed this video, and till next time, bye bye.